This is a demonstration of 41386. The item is not exhibiting any problems at this time. My understanding was, and will always be, that the B channel was weak. We had to turn the volume all the way up, and it would kick in. That is not occurring at this time. And before I actually do the testing, I want to explain the procedure. We're going to hook it up to a test panel. We're going to be able to hear it, but that's not going to be an accurate test with this microphone. What we're going to do is be able to view the actual left and right channels on this device, which I'll zoom in a little closer. And where's the zoom on this? Zoom. Yeah, here we go. Zoom. Zoom. This device is called an oscilloscope, and the upper display is going to show us the left channel. A little more zoom. And the bottom trace is going to show us the right channel. And we're not going to feed in a dynamic signal like sound, like you'd listen to at home, music. We're going to feed in a steady state sine wave, which is much more revealing. We'll be able to see how clean it is, and we'll be able to see that there's no intermittencies whatsoever, and they're pretty much equal. So let's back this out. And another thing I'm going to do is, as I turn the volume up, I'm going to have to switch the speakers into what's called dummy loads, because the sound will get so loud it'll distort the microphone and it'll also hurt my eardrums. Dummy loads stress the amplifier the same as a speaker would, but it converts the audio energy into heat energy. Okay, and so let's take a look at our amplifier here. It's our baby. So I'm going to turn up left channel. You can probably hear a sine wave there. I'm going to turn up the right channel. You can probably hear a sine wave there. And again, we're not going to go by what we're hearing. We're going to go by what we're looking at. But I wanted to show you what it sounds like. And so now we're going to go up here, and we're going to turn the left. Whoa! Yeah, can't afford a separate photographer here. Sorry about that. Now we're going to go up to the left channel. And again, look at see the upper display on the oscilloscope. Now we're going to go to the right channel, the B channel. Same exact amplitude at the same exact settings on the amplifier. Now we're going to go to a greater amplitude, but I need to do this. We need to go into dummy loads, and I need to cut down the gain. There we go. So we're going to turn up the left. Oh, look at that. We have drawn some serious current here. And there's the right. So they are the exact same amplitude. And turn it down a little bit. And we're going to tap your amp. And again, we're using the balanced, also called XLR inputs. But the other inputs, the imbalance, also are exactly the same. Your item is open, and as you can see on the oscilloscope, the signals are not wavering whatsoever. The item is rock solid. And we can turn these back down a little bit and go back to speakers. So, this item is not exhibiting any problems at this time. While I had it open, I have the oxidizer switches and controls just in case. But boil this down. The item either has an intermittent problem, which is not occurring here, or the problem lies elsewhere in the system.